Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily transfer Marriott Bonvoy points to another account. So all you have to do is head over to marriott.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just scroll down until you get to this section and just click on Earn Points. Next is just click on Manage Points. Just scroll down until you get into transfer points section, and all you have to do is just click on transfer points. So from here, all you have to do is fill in the transfer details such as first name, last name, recipient's Marriott Bonvoy number, member number, and just confirm the member number and also the amount to transfer. Also, make sure that you check the box that you certify the number of points to be transferred of the recipient are accurate. Then once done, just click on transfer points now. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!